Hi, my name is Mike. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to export and import setup data for a task using a CSV file. You need the Export-Import Functional Setups User Abstract role and the appropriate role with task-specific privileges to perform this activity. Sometimes the setup data you need to enter is very simple, or it's similar to existing data that you can duplicate. In these cases, it takes less time to create and use a CSV file. To start, navigate to the Setup page and find the task you want to set up. Now make sure that actions for your tasks are visible. If you don't see the task you want to export the data for, click Show All Tasks, then choose the appropriate task. These options are enabled if export and import are supported for a task. If setup data had already been exported, the most recent export setup data to CSV process would be listed first. Create a new export. If you want to export the template but not the existing data in the environment, you could check this option. Click the Add button to add a scope. If you want to export the existing setup data, you could filter the setup data based on the scope-enabled business objects. But we don't want to do this right now, so just cancel and then click Submit. Because you didn't choose a scope value, all setup data relevant to this task will be exported. Now monitor the process until it completes. The most recent process is here at the top of the list. Click the process when it changes to Ready for Download. If there had been any errors, they'd be displayed here. But this looks great, so download the CSV file. Take a look at the CSV file and, if needed, update the data per your requirements. Okay, now you've finished modifying your setup data in the file, so upload the new version. As with the export, start on the Actions menu and choose the file you want to upload. Setup validates that the selected file contains setup data for the corresponding task. Otherwise, it'll ask you to select a different file. Monitor the process until it's done. Here it is. If there had been any errors, they would show here, but it looks fine. And finally, open the task to verify that the data loaded correctly. The task loaded correctly, so we're done. And you're done. Thanks for watching.